We are purge welding two pipes together for water systems, and in order to keep the inside of the weld from rusting and sugaring, we have to purge weld it. And by purge welding, what we're doing is we're filling the tube full of argon, which is our shielding gas. And by doing that, when we weld that full penetration, it keeps the inside clean and porosity free. Therefore, the weld on the inside is as good as the weld on the outside. So for future, the product won't fail, 20 or 30 years down the road from corrosion from the inside out. So doing it this way, we keep the corrosion out, and it stays good for hopefully a lifetime. This is a little trick to see if my argon has come all the way through and the oxygen is done. It will actually take the flame away. That means it's all argon coming through. So now I know I can untape my seam where I'm going to be welding. And I'm going to start at the bottom and weld vertical up, doing 100% weld. That way, we're sure that it's a good solid weld. I'll just start at the bottom. Make sure I got a good weld all the way through. And I'll work my way up this side, and the same thing on the other side. I'm just doing a root pass now, but when I'm done with the root pass and I'm sure it's a good weld, I'll go back and put a cover pass on. And that's pretty much all there is to it. We can stick a scope down the tube and make sure that I do have good penetration and verify that it's a clean weld. But other than that, it's a fairly simple process once you ensure that you're purged properly and you're good to go on a weld. I just weld the root pass nice and hot. You can see ahead of your weld, it'll open up, and it's called a keyhole. You won't be able to see it now because I filled it in, but right here, usually ahead of your weld, there's called a keyhole. And you can dip your rod right into that keyhole so you know it's pulling through into the inside.
All right, thanks Phil for the explanation of purging.
No problem.
Can't wait to see the final product.
Yeah, well there's two of them right there already done.
Oh, perfect. Look at that. Looks great.
Thank you.